Good morning and welcome to the first episode of The Morning Fix. I'm Jordan, I'm the Marketing Associate here at Fluoramics, and we're excited to start your day off right with helpful insights, expert tips, and coffee. The Morning Fix is a video series focused on sharing industry expertise, tips and tricks, behind-the-scenes stories, and innovative solutions. Every other week, I will be sitting down over a cup of coffee with people such as engineers, industry experts, and people who have used our products. In this first episode, I will have President and Chief Chemical Engineer Gregg Reick with me to talk about how Fluoramics got its start and how he got involved in the company. Welcome, Gregg. Thanks for being here.
Good morning, Jordan.
Let's start with Fluoramics itself. For people who may not know, can you give us a little bit of background on the company's history?
Sure. Fluoramics started in basically a two-car garage in northern New Jersey. It's a classic, small company startup. Mm-hmm. The whole background and the premise of the company was really products that my father developed that he saw a need for,
right?
Or he was able to sort of start linking different technologies together.
Okay.
And then seeing a product or a need that he could fulfill with that. Mm-hmm. So that sort of started. The Reick household had three boys,
okay,
and my mom, mm-hmm. God bless her. And we basically grew up in an environment which had, a machine shop in the house. It had many people from all over the globe coming and visiting us. We had people that were really just friends of the families.
Right.
But now looking back at them, you realize that they were wow people.
Right, they were somebody.
Yeah.
When did you take over as president for Fluoramics?
The 2015-2016 timeframe
Okay.
is when I came back into the company.
Okay. So you started in the garage with your dad,
Exactly.
And then you kind of came into it from a business standpoint once you had established yourself as a chemical engineer.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
What would you say is the core mission of Fluoramics? What are you guys intending to do with your inventions and your innovations here?
We always come back full circle to be more of an engineering firm, more of an engineering environment.
Right.
We're out here to help customers solve a problem. Mm-hmm. That's what we have learned, over the many years, is that we work better on an engineering level. And if somebody has a technology problem, what can we do to help fix it?
Right.
So what that means today is that we've got a family of products mm-hmm. that go across lubrication, specialized sealants, and then rust inhibitors. Mm-hmm. But we're able to adjust those formulations or come out with new products in those families. When a customer comes to us with a concern or an opportunity, mm-hmm. Or looking for something unique.
Right. What would you say is your favorite part about this role? What's the favorite thing that you get to be involved in here?
I think it's I think everybody who, as we work together here, sees that it's mm-hmm. the engineering side of it,
right,
that brings the excitement,
right,
to me and to what we're doing, and the way we've structured the company with the question and answers that we get from around the world, around the mm-hmm. globe, in our Ask Engineering side of things.
Right.
Where people, write in and say, either I'm using your product and I've got this going on, mm-hmm. or I've got this going on. What product can we use?
Right.
Exactly.
Right.
I think that's the most exciting part of it.
Okay.
And then, of course, now stepping in and doing some new product developments on what we're seeing mm-hmm. for the needs based upon the questions we're getting.
Right. So what does the future look like for Fluoramics? Is there anything new coming on the horizon?
Sure. So for the future of Fluoramics, I think there's a foundational base mm-hmm. that's important to us.
Right.
The last couple of years, we actually have moved into a new building. Mm-hmm. It's a new used building. We've had to outfit it for ourselves.
Okay.
But the exciting thing about the building we're in now is that one thing is there's an ownership factor in it. And the other exciting thing about it is that it also has an available green space that for future expansion, as we
Right.
grow the company and look at whether it's new products, staffing, whatever,
Right.
we have the building structure and green space
Okay.
to stay planted here and to grow the company what we got.
Okay. It's been great hearing about Fluoramics and your journey. Thanks for being here today. I appreciate it, and I hope we'll have you back sometime soon. And
Thank
to the listeners and the viewers, if you want more videos like this, you want to hear more from Greg or anyone else that works here at Fluoramics, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Turn on the post notifications. It's that little bell icon next to the subscribe button. That way you don't miss when we upload. Make sure that you give us a like, and you can comment down below any questions, comments, things like that. If you're having any kind of problems, you can comment them down below or ask an engineer with the link down below, and we can feature that in a future episode of Morning Fix. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Thank you, Jordan.